Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. Now, if you've tried out some of our maze games, maybe you tried out the blinking maze game, and if you scroll down to the project extension, you'll actually see a Make a Sprite Follow the Mouse extension. And when you click on this, it kind of shows you what to do, and it basically makes it so that your cat will follow your mouse wherever you go on the maze, okay? So I want to show you how you can take that idea and turn it into another neat idea. All right, so the project we are going to look at is titled Trash Fishing, and it's by Creative Flowers 87. So we press the green flag, and basically the idea is that when you move your hook onto a piece of trash that's in the ocean, you can actually move it over here without having to click and pick it up so you can clean it. So this makes it so that you can actually play the game like this. If I were to go into pro gamer mode and start moving really fast and pick up all the trash, and then once I get all the trash, it will give me an end screen that says that I have collected everything right here. Okay, so it says that I win. So that I thought was a really neat idea of making it so that you could, instead of having it follow the mouse, pick up when it touches the mouse and then move it over into the trash can. If you got a really neat idea that you'd like me to take a look at, make sure you comment a link to it below so we can check out your Scratch projects. And make sure you check out the description so you can check out this person's awesome project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.